Here's how to enable voice typing in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar on the bottom side and search for Control Panel. So type in Control Panel, and here is the Control Panel. Just tap on that. And now, as you can see on the right side, the View By, you need to tap on this category option. And now from here, tap on the large icons. This will brings up lots of options for here, and now from here you need to select the speech recognition. So tap on that, and now start speech recognition. Alright, now you need to select the next option, and from here again tap on the next, and simply tap on the next, and it will start recording. Like as you can see, my microphone has been selected like this. And all right, so we got the next button, so tap on the next and again tap on the next. All right, now you need to select enable document review, like this option. Select this and then again tap on the next. Now you need to tap on the use manual activation mode, then tap on the next, and lastly just simply tap on the next. Now if you want to run this speech recognition at your starting your computer, then select this. Rather than that, just untick it. All right, so for my case I'm selecting that and tap on next. I'm not going to see the tutorial, so I will tap on skip tutorial. All right, so now try voice access, you need to tap on that. So now simply, all right, now as you can see, here is the voice recognizer. So you need to tap on the microphone icon and it will start listening to you. And so hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.